क्या तुमने अपनी योजना बनाई है? हैव यू मेड योर प्लान? हैव यू मेड योर प्लान? वह अपनी भावनाओं को व्यक्त करने में सहज नहीं है। He is not comfortable expressing his feelings. He is not comfortable expressing his feelings. मुझे लगता है यह समाधान ठीक है। I think this solution is correct. I think this solution is correct. ये फैसला बहुत मुश्किल है। This decision is very difficult. This decision is very difficult. मुझे नहीं लगता कि वह यह कर पाएगा। I don't think he will be able to do this. I don't think he will be able to do this. हमें एक अच्छा मौका मिला है। We have got a good opportunity. We have got a good opportunity. क्या तुम मुझे इसके बारे में और जानकारी दे सकते हो? Can you give me more information about this? Can you give me more information about this? वह मुझे बहुत अच्छे से समझता है। He understands me very well. He understands me very well. मैं तुमसे बाद में बात करूंगा। I will talk to you later. I will talk to you later. हमें इस बारे में सोचने के लिए और समय चाहिए। We need more time to think about this. We need more time to think about this. क्या तुम मुझे यह किताब उधार दे सकते हो? Can you lend me this book? Can you lend me this book? वह खुद को साबित करने की कोशिश कर रहा है। He is trying to prove himself. He is trying to prove himself. मुझे लगता है यह निर्णय हमारे लिए सही है। I think this decision is right for us. I think this decision is right for us. हमें अपनी गलतियों से सीखना चाहिए। We should learn from our mistakes. We should learn from our mistakes. वह हमेशा दूसरों की मदद करता है। He always helps others. He always helps others. ये काम मुझे बहुत मेहनत से करना पड़ा। I had to do this work with a lot of effort. I had to do this work with a lot of effort. वह बिना किसी सहायता के सब कुछ कर सकता है। He can do everything without any help. He can do everything without any help. क्या तुम मुझे अपना फ़ोन दे सकते हो? Can you give me your phone? Can you give me your phone? मुझे इस काम को पहले ख़त्म करना चाहिए। I should have finished this work earlier. I should have finished this work earlier. तुम मुझे हर बार सही रास्ता दिखाते हो। You show me the right path every time. You show me the right path every time. वह हर काम को पूरी तरह से करता है। He does everything thoroughly. He does everything thoroughly. मुझे लगता है कि हमें कुछ समय और मिलना चाहिए। I think we should get some more time. I think we should get some more time. हमें अपना समय सही तरीके से इस्तेमाल करना चाहिए। We should use our time properly. We should use our time properly. फ्रेंड, अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लग रहा है, यूजफुल है, तो वीडियो को लाइक और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें। अब हम नेक्स्ट देखते हैं। यह एक अच्छा अवसर है। दिस इज़ अ ग्रेट अपॉर्चुनिटी। दिस इज़ अ ग्रेट अपॉर्चुनिटी। मैं तुमसे हमेशा मदद की उम्मीद करता हूँ। I always expect help from you. I always expect help from you. क्या तुमने अपना काम खत्म कर लिया है? Have you finished your work? Have you finished your work? मुझे तुम पर गर्व है। I am proud of you. I am proud of you. क्या तुम मुझसे कुछ पूछना चाहते हो? Do you want to ask me something? Do you want to ask me something? वह हमेशा अपनी समस्याओं के बारे में सोचता है। He always thinks about his problems. He always thinks about his problems. वह सबको साथ लेकर चलता है। He takes everyone along. He takes everyone along. मुझे यह जानकर खुशी हुई कि तुम ठीक हो। I am happy to know that you are fine. I am happy to know that you are fine. क्या तुमने वह किताब पढ़ी है? Have you read that book? Have you read that book? मुझे उसकी मदद की ज़रूरत थी। I needed his help. I needed his help. मुझे नहीं पता था कि तुम इतने अच्छे गायक हो। I didn't know you were such a good singer. I didn't know you were such a good singer. तुम बहुत ईमानदार इंसान हो। You are a very honest person. You are a very honest person. हम दोनों को एक साथ काम करना चाहिए था। We should have worked together. We should have worked together. क्या तुम मुझे अपना काम दिखा सकते हो? Can you show me your work? Can you show me your work? तुम्हारे बिना यह काम संभव नहीं था। This work wouldn't have been possible without you. This work would not have been possible without you. मुझे लगता है तुम सही कह रहे हो। I think you are right. I think you are right. अगर मुझे मौका मिलता तो मैं इसे बेहतर करता। If I had a chance, I would have done it better. If I had a chance, I would have done it better. तुम्हें अपनी राय देने का अधिकार है। You have the right to give your opinion. You have the right to give your opinion. मुझे तुम पर विश्वास है। I trust you. I trust you. ये सबसे अच्छा तरीका है इस समस्या को हल करने का। This is the best way to solve this problem. This is the best way to solve this problem. वह हमेशा अपनी बातों में सच्चाई रखता है। He always speaks the truth. He always speaks the truth. वह अपनी मुश्किलों को छुपाता नहीं है। He doesn't hide his difficulties. He does not hide his difficulties. वह पूरी तरह से इस समस्या को समझता है। He completely understands this problem. He completely understands this problem. क्या तुम मुझे इसके बारे में और जानकारी दे सकते हो? Can you give me more details about this? Can you give me more details about this? वह कभी भी अपनी जिम्मेदारी से भागता नहीं है. He never runs away from his responsibilities. He never runs away from his responsibilities. तुमने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है. You did a great job. You did a great job. मुझे तुम पर विश्वास है कि तुम सही निर्णय लोगे. I trust you to make the right decision. I trust you to make the right decision. क्या तुम मेरे साथ चलोगे? Will you come with me? Will you come with me? वह हमेशा अपनी योजना के बारे में सोचता है. He always thinks about his plan. He always thinks about his plan. हमें यह निर्णय जल्दी लेना चाहिए. We should take this decision soon. We should take this decision soon. तुम मुझे हमेशा खुश रखती हो. You always keep me happy. You always keep me happy. मुझे विश्वास है कि तुम इसे पूरा कर सकोगे. I believe you can complete it. I believe you can complete it. ये विचार तुम्हारे लिए अच्छा है. This idea is good for you. This idea is good for you. क्या तुम मुझसे मिल सकते हो? Can you meet me? Can you meet me? वह बहुत समझदार और मेहनती है. He is very wise and hardworking. He is very wise and hardworking. मुझे बहुत खेद है कि मैंने तुम्हें परेशान किया. I'm really sorry that I troubled you. I'm really sorry that I troubled you. क्या तुम्हें लगता है कि यह सही है? Do you think this is right? Do you think this is right? मुझे जल्दी से जवाब चाहिए. I need the answer quickly. I need the answer quickly. उसने मुझे बहुत कुछ सिखाया है. He has taught me a lot. He has taught me a lot. मैं तुम्हारे साथ हूं, तुम अकेले नहीं हो. I am with you. You are not alone. I am with you. You are not alone. तुम जो कह रहे हो वह सही नहीं है. What you are saying is not right. What you are saying is not right. तो फ्रेंड्स, ये था हमारा आज का वीडियो. इफ़ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो एंड लर्न समथिंग न्यू फ्रॉम दिस वीडियो और दिस चैनल, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel English Succeed. Keep learning, keep growing. Thank you everyone.